And we're now to lesson 76, which is on graphing inequalities. We've worked with inequalities just a little bit. Y'all have used less than, greater than signs before. Most of the time in algebra, we deal with equalities, equations that have an equal sign in the middle of them. We say the left side is equal to the right side. Inequalities are different because you're saying that the left side is not equal to the right side. But there is a way to graph them. So I've got us a number line here. And to do these, you will always need a number line. So if you want to write one out, there you go. We'll actually use that same number line to do both of these examples. I'll just do the first one on top of the number line, and I'll do the second one under it. The first one says x, which remember, it's not scary. It just means it's some number we don't know. X is greater than 2. So what I want to do is I want to represent what x could possibly be. Remember, it's a number, it's greater than 2. So think about some numbers that are greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, a million, those numbers are greater than 2. There's numbers that are not greater than 2. 0 is not greater than 2. 1 is not greater than 2. Even 2 itself is not greater than 2. But there are certain numbers that are greater than 2, and we need to show that. Now, when I was listing the ones a second ago, I started with 3. But there are actually smaller numbers greater than 2. I could do 2.5. 2.5 is greater than 3. Or 2, sorry. 2.1 is greater than 2. 2.01 is greater than 2. So what I need to do is I need to have a way to show that I'm starting immediately after 2. And the way I do that is I put a circle on 2. I don't fill that in. I don't make it a dot. I just put an open circle. That's showing me that I'm starting right after 2. And then I'm going to draw an arrow to the right. And that arrow pointing to the right just shows that anywhere I go on that number line going forward, all of those numbers are greater than 2. So this open circle is showing I'm starting immediately after 2, and going forward, everything is greater than 2. And so I'm going to label it. So there's our first one. Our second one says x is less than or equal to 2. And so on that one, I'm going to start down here again on the number 2. This time I'm actually going to fill the dot in, which shows that I include 2 in my answer. That way it shows that it's equal. And to show numbers that are less than, I point backwards. So again, I can label this one, it is x, it's less than or equal to 2.